Namaste and welcome to lecture 3 of decimals. Today we will learn decimals as fractions. But in these fractions the denominators will be 10, 100 and 1000. Okay? That means the meaning of this is that the decimals are another name of fractions, okay, whose denominators are 10, 100 and thousands. To understand this, let us draw one bar and I will divide this into 10 equal parts. First we will learn about the denominator 10. So 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. Okay. Now these are 10 equal parts. In these 10 equal parts, suppose one part is shaded. Then what will we do? We will write this in a fraction as 1 upon 10, correct? And in decimal we will write it as, because it is 1 0, so before one digit we'll put a decimal point and then 0 we'll write 0.1. Okay, so this way we will write in decimal and in fraction also. Suppose let me take another example. Same 10 equal parts. Okay, so these are the 10 equal parts. Now if we shade 4 parts, then it will be 4 upon 10. See, this in words you will say 4/10. Okay, and this is nothing but it is in fraction. In decimal we will write it as 0.4 because 1 0, so before one digit starting from the units place we will put the decimal. Okay, let us take one more example, that is, if I write, if this bar is there with 10 equal parts, okay, and all the parts are shaded, then we will write 10 upon 10 which is equal to 1, correct? Same thing if I say 13 upon 10, then we will say 13 parts are shaded. Is it like that? No, this is 13 tenths. What is 13 tenths? That is 10 plus 3 we know, but here we will write 10 tenths plus 3 tenths. Okay, and this we will 10 tenths we will write it as 10 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10. Okay, because tenths means we have to divide it by 10. We know that according to the place value chart. 0 0 gone, so this is 1 plus 3 upon 10. This will be equal to 1 plus 1 0. So before one digit a decimal point and then 0. Now how are we going to add this? See, 1, it is a whole number. There is no digit after the decimal point. So what will I do? I'll put the decimal point, and as here is only one digit, we'll put only 1 0 plus 0.3. So this will be 0 plus 3 is 3, then a decimal point, and 1 plus 0 is 1. This is nothing but 1.3. Okay, this way we get 1.3, that is when a number is having the denominator 10. Suppose it is 26 upon 10, then we will write 26 tenths. This is nothing but 20 plus 6. So I will write 20 tenths plus 6 tenths. This I will write it as 20 upon 10 plus 6 upon 10. So this will become 2 plus 6 upon 10 means 0.6. Again, same thing after 2 no decimal digit. So 2.0, because here in this number only one digit is there after decimal point, plus 0.6. So 0 plus 6 is 6, then a decimal point, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So we will get 2.6. As such, if we see 26 upon 10, we know that because it is 1 0, we have to put decimal before one digit. Yes, this is how we got this 2.6. That was the explanation. Now for 100, the same thing. If a grid is taken, okay, this grid is taken and it is divided into 100 equal squares, say. I will not draw the 100 squares, and in that 3 are shaded or 2 are shaded. Let us take 3, then we will write 3 upon 100. This is 3 hundredths, and this is the fraction part, and the decimal part will be before 2 digits put a decimal point. So 3 is already there, this is one digit, second digit is not there, so I'll place 0 here, then a decimal point, and then 0. Okay, but say we have some 5 upon 100, then directly how are we going to do it? Definitely, because 2 zeros are there, so before 2 digits we'll put a decimal point and then 0. Correct? Now see, if there is 256 upon 100, then answer is very easy, that 6 and 5, then a decimal point and then 2. But what is the explanation in this? Because it is 2 zeros, I want 200 plus 56. Okay, whole upon 100. The meaning of this is we are separating 2 digits because we are having 2 zeros, so I have to keep 2 zeros after 2. So 200 plus 56, and this will become 200 upon 100 plus 56 upon 100. This is equal to 2 plus before 2 digits a decimal point, so 0.0. Sorry. Now how to add this? 2. Here there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So after 12 put a decimal point, then 2 zeros, then let us add 0.56. This will be 6, 5, then a decimal point and 2. So this is 2.56. Okay, this way we get 2.56. It is very easy to understand. Similarly, if a number is taken upon 1000, then 3 zeros means decimal point will be before 3 digits. So 310.0. Okay, this way you have to do. Even in 1000 also you can change it, but you should have the number in 4 digit, that is 2563 upon 1000 is there. Then what will we do? We will take 2000 upon 1000 plus 563 upon 1000. This is equal to 2 plus 0.563, and this is nothing but equal to 2.563. Okay, this way we have to use the denominators 10, 100 and 1000, and that is why directly by counting the zeros and then counting the digits from the units place we put the decimal instead of doing all these steps. Suppose 7563 upon 1000 is there. I don't want to do all these things. Then 3 zeros. So 3, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3 digits. Then a decimal point 7. So 7 will become the whole number and 563 is the digit, the number after the decimal point. So this is the fractional part and this is the whole number part. Okay, so one more number, 5697 upon 1000. This is nothing but 5.697. Directly you can write it like this. If 65 upon 100 is given, then we will write 0.65. Correct? This way directly we can write, no need to do all those steps. That was just how do we work it as a fraction, decimals as a fractions. So I end my lecture over here. Thank you very much.